Hi everyone, good evening, Jai Hind. I hope you're all well, fine, healthy, safe. Close to 130 days for IOQM 2026. A lot of students already realize the importance of this particular preparation. They all know this preparation not only helps you qualify for the next stage, that is RMO, but also this preparation gives you a good launch pad for the other competitive exams which are going to come up in your life, like JEE, like ISI, like NEET, because this overall improves the logic building, this overall improves the problem solving skills, which are also required in other subjects. This batch is for the students who are already going to some coaching, already into some activities, cannot afford the time during the normal peak hours, जहां पर हमारे बाकी batches चल रहे हैं. So that is why, on the request of a lot of students and the availability, we have launched this batch. This is called IOQM Weekday Batch, and this is going to focus only and only on IOQM. How is this batch different from the other batches that we have? I will be talking about it in today's session very briefly. ठीक है, तो पहले मैं ये बता देता हूँ. These are the 5 steps to reach IMO. First step is IOQM. The students who qualify for RMO, IOQM, they have to write this another stage, second stage, that is RMO, Regional Mathematics Olympiad. This is a subjective examination. The students who qualify RMO write this exam called INMO. So close to 1,000 students across India, across 5 grades, write this exam, and close to 70 odd students are able to qualify INMO, and they go to IMOTC. IMOTC is about to start in the next week, and these 70 students, out of these 70 students, they select 6 students who represent India in International Maths Olympiad. But it is not about this journey. It is about this preparation. This preparation, we have seen ample examples of students who have not been able to qualify even, pass RMO. But because of this preparation, what it did was it improved their overall logic. It improved the way they look at the problems. And there are amazing examples. Last year only, in JEE Advanced, we had 6 of those top 15 students, top 15 rankers in JEE Advanced. Rank 2, rank 4, rank 5, rank 11, rank 13, rank 15. They were a part of Vedantu Olympiad School when they were in 8th, 9th, 10th. They might not have cleared the 2 or 3 stages, but that preparation helped them reach their dreams in the later competitive exams, right? So we're talking about this preparation, IOQM preparation, and this particular batch is called IOQM 2026 Weekdays batch. Weekdays because there is another batch, weekend, which is parallelly running. So again, it is the weekday version of the same batch. It is going to start from 30th of April. 30th of April. The batch days are going to be Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays, and the batch timings are going to be 9 p.m. in the evening, 9 to 10:30 p.m., 3 days a week. So 130 दिन बचे हैं. There are 130, close to 130 days left. And out of these, if you give us 45 of these days, we'll make sure that your problem solving skills are at the top of your potential. Apart from this, there will be 15 additional classes for NMTC. So there's another exam conducted by another good body, mathematical body of India, that is AMTI. So वो NMTC exam करते हैं. So soon, so preparing for NMTC exam, we will be conducting 15 separate classes, additional classes for NMTC. And if you qualify NMTC stage 1, there will be 10 additional classes. So this is over and above these 45 classes wherein we're going to cover the IOQM syllabus. The syllabus is the same, just that the pattern is different. So again, we'll be doing more of previous year questions and other concepts in NMTC. Apart from this, all the other things which are there in the regular batches, that is video written solutions of the assignments, the test solutions are going to be the same. Tests are going to be there. Assignments after every class is going to be there. So this batch is going to be taken by Anirudh sir. He is probably the only teacher in India who has done masters as well as bachelors from ISI. Right, so bachelor's from ISI Bangalore and master's from ISI Kolkata. Right, so this is for the students who are eligible to write IOQM 2026. That is students of grade 8 to 12th, and the language is going to be English. Okay, so we are going to cover each and everything which we think is important on the basis of the past year trends. So we'll be covering basic mathematics, number theory. We'll be covering LCM, GCD based problems, congruence, Fermat, Wilson, perfect squares, primes, Diophantine based system, algebra. We'll be doing factor and remainder theorem, rational and integral roots, sigma notation, telescoping, modulus, GIF, greatest integer function, combinatorics. Apart from the usual combinatorics, objects and circles, recurrence and problem solving, geometry, all these things which might be a part of your syllabi in 8, 9, 10, then some of the topics which might not be a part. For example, Sievers and Miller's concept of rotation. All these things are over and above your school syllabi. So we'll be covering all these things. So how is this different from, let's say, level 7 batch? So level 7 batch is something wherein we go over and above IOQM, right? So the objective of that particular batch is to focus on all the aspects of mathematics, to give or introduce certain topics which might not even come in 8th to 12th, to give them different perspective. For example, there are things like coloring, okay, invariance, right? So these are the topics, generating functions, which we cover in level 7, which does not have a lot of relevance as far as IOQM is concerned. So we've removed those topics. Okay, so if you're interested, maybe if all the students are interested, maybe we can cover those topics after IOQM is over in this particular batch only. But up till the IOQM exam, the focus is only and only going to be on the particular exam, that is IOQM. And the idea is to make sure that everyone who is a part of this batch gets his or her cutoff cleared from his or her region. Okay, so this batch is for 10,999 and it's a weekday batch. And the weekend, the book version of this. So again, the students who want to opt for the book version, the book is the IOQM VOS book. So if you don't have the book and if you want this book, you can opt for this batch. And if you already have this book, then of course you can study here. Okay, this batch. Right, so assignments, all the assignments are going to be in the form of e-assignments, and you can always get them downloaded at your end. I hope the things are clear, and the link to join this is there in the description box. You can always check the description, and all the details of this particular batch which I've told are already there in the description, and you can be a part of this batch. Some of the classes, so after the classes get over, there will be additional revision round. So revision round is taken by usually all the teachers of Vedantu Olympiad School. So everyone, me, Chetan sir, Anirudh sir, Praveen sir, Krishnendu sir will be taking those revision. But the core classes are going to be covered by Anirudh sir here. I hope this is clear. And if there are any other issues, any other questions that you have, you can always put, there's a Google form, query Google form, which is in the description. You can always fill your details and our team is going to get back and will resolve. Thank you. Take care. God bless you. And all the best to the students who are going to join this. Take care.